Traveling with a baby can be a challenging task, especially when it comes to providing a comfortable sleeping environment. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 portable cribs that are perfect for ensuring a cozy and peaceful sleep for your little one while on the go. Our first featured portable crib offers a lightweight and compact design, making it easy to carry and travel with. Its sturdy construction provides a safe and secure sleeping space for your baby, while its foldable feature allows for convenient storage and transportation. With its comfortable mattress and ample space, your little one will have a restful sleep wherever you go. Next on our list is a portable crib that stands out for its easy assembly and durability. It features a simple setup process, allowing you to quickly create a cozy sleeping area for your baby. Its sturdy materials ensure long-lasting use, making it a reliable choice for frequent travelers. Say goodbye to complicated assembly instructions and hello to effortless setup with this portable crib. For parents who value versatility and multifunctionality, our third recommended portable crib is the perfect choice. Not only does it provide a comfortable sleeping space for your baby, but it also doubles as a playpen or a diaper changing station. Its adjustable features make it adaptable to different situations, ensuring your little one's needs are met wherever you are. When it comes to your baby's safety, our fourth featured portable crib takes the lead. It is equipped with safety features such as secure locking mechanisms and breathable materials, providing peace of mind for parents. Additionally, this crib offers added convenience with features like easy-to-clean fabrics and removable covers, making it a practical option for travels. Last but not least, our final recommended portable crib stands out for its stylish design and extra accessories. It combines functionality with aesthetics, offering a visually appealing sleeping space for your baby. This crib also comes with additional accessories like storage compartments or a sunshade, enhancing the overall convenience and usefulness while traveling. In conclusion, investing in a top-quality portable crib is essential for ensuring your baby's comfortable sleep while traveling. Whether you prioritize lightweight design, easy assembly, versatility, safety features, or stylish aesthetics, there is a portable crib on our list to suit your needs. Provide your little one with a cozy and restful sleeping environment wherever your travels may take you.